Sunday morning. We just got done with a wonderful breakfast setup with some of our favorite customers. It was a lot of fun, it was a lot of bakchodi.
If you are still able to have that energy without any of the intoxicants, then it's brilliant.
No. First of all, I had the Diolos that I picked up from these guys.
Came in lockdown when the shutter was down.
Shutter was down, I went and I picked up a pair of Diolos. I was damn kicked. Dude, I didn't wear those shoes even once.
Back in the day, I was very nervous because you're a nervous traveler. When you travel for decades, then you become a little complacent. He said,
What's up, Adarsh?
We got too much cash, bro. We need to count it.
So what is this?
This is a cash counter, and this is a magical device that prints.
Oh, device that prints.
Yeah. Believe it or not, it's called a printer.
Oh wow.
"What's up, boys? What you doing?"
Get some prints out.
What the fuck, guys? What's happening here?
So what happened is
Huh.
we had to order for 3 people, but as usual, Adarsh ordered for like 5 or 6 people, and we are not able to finish the shit now.
Oh, you wish? Okay, I'm purchasing that now.
Bro, what wrong evaluation? उसने 8 पेटी का खरीदा, 1 पेटी का हुडी पहना है, पैंट तो अर्बन आउटफिट है $60. अबे ये सब बीप डायरेक्टली।
नहीं ये जाएगा ब्लॉग में।
अरे पागल हो,
ये जाएगा,
ये नहीं जा रहा।
जाएगा।
ये नहीं जा रहा।
जाएगा।
Not a clip of KK dancing.
Hey, don't.
So quickly on camera say what I said gets beeped out.
नहीं,
Beep, everything gets beeped. He said it. ये डालो. Put me overpowering him on the floor.
अरे ऊपर नहीं जाएगा सर
Back workout हो रहा है यार. हो जाएगा नितिन.
अगर मैं इस पे खड़ा हुआ तो
Bro, you have to put it in, bro.
How are you doing, bro? एक से
Stuck inside.
रोहित इसको डालने दे छोड़ा पहले इसको डालने दे निकाल
हाँ, तू अंदर डाल.
तू डाल चल।
December sponsored by Almost Gods.
Red December.
Sponsored नहीं. 7.5 lakh. Send them invoice. 7.5 lakh. You wanna advertise your brand on our vlog? As our first brand partner with Metro.
Yeah.
It's part of the deliverables. You can just cut it right now. No, this is part of the deliverables. Part of the deliverables you get a mention in the vlog. You're also getting personal feature. It was Almost God and not Prada.
Yeah.
Which makes sense because like Raf Simons, Nature Prada. क्या पी रहे हो? अच्छा, that is sponsored as well. Soon.
You rock it in Delhi, but let me rock. I'm taking it home. I'm not wear it. Let me wear it. Nice for market soon. No, I'm not. Tell me because.
Hey, what's happening?
Ordered, store order. Harshil is also doing a store order.
What's Harshil doing?
Store order.
He's just chilling there.
Harshil?
हो गया ये?
Super excited. Guys, bye.
This is the most Pinterest photo, bro. Why are we doing this? Putting sauce on this paper and you're eating it with peanuts. Nitin, you also eating? Yeah. Now.
Store first. Give them a. You must want to know what's going on. So we have a special guest coming in today. Fixing the store up to his size, easier for him to shop.
Also, the vlog needs to know that I'm back.
He's back.
I'm back.
That's why the store's a mess. So basically, oh my god. Look at that. This man has major FOMO. He's keeping his eye on us from Delhi. Entire rack is changed to UK time, changing clothes to his size. We all will know who came in a bit. This is just everyone's wearing them. So people just stop buying Supreme and ASSC. So because they stop buying, we also stop buying. Like if you came a year ago, you would just not see this much. You would only see ASSC, you would only see Supreme.
What are we doing, Rohit?
We're doing mimicry of Sebastian. Yo bro, what's up? Yeah, for sure, we can do these. What size are you?
8.5.
Oh my god, these are 8.5. You can try this on. Rohit, oh, 8.5 in
You lace it up for me or how do I?
Okay, we'll lace it up for you. Rohit, lace kar de. What is your age?
18.
I mean 18 नहीं तेरा age 13 है.
अच्छा 13.
30. Oh, I think you should go for a size, one size up because you're a growing kid, right? So.
What are you doing, boss? You're telling me this guy. So you know how to tie laces?
Yeah, I don't even wear shoes that much.
What are you wearing? Yes, we have so much in-house destruction. We have some in-house carpentry work also. Deepu, we got Deepu Main Street t-shirt.
Why hardcore?
Hard.
MNS drill.
पीछे यार पीछे बता.
ब्लू टिक चाहिए खाली अभी एक.
Workforce. Christian is styling me by the way, guys.
What's happening, Christian?
We're trying to get some Instagram pictures.
For marketplace, just for marketing.
Yeah.
Look at this absolute cartoon of a human being. Like, what is this? Why is it?
Yeah, anytime you fucking start shooting anyhow, bro. Shoot you what you are.
You're looking damn cute.
Vedu, please, yeah, can't you just tell me or shoot?
In those red shorts, this is a mini Santa Claus.
आपको क्या? अरे you drew about Secret Santa.
हाँ.
आपका किसका नाम है?
बता दूँ तो सीक्रेट कैसे हुआ?
Please repeat that.
बता दूँ तो सीक्रेट कैसे हुआ?
Bro, I want to be reverse Santa, bro. Like, hype is.
अरे bro, कल हर्षिल ने ड्रॉ किया. And अरे नहीं, मैं क्या आदमी है यार ये? Obviously नहीं बता रहा ना.
Bro, I was about to tell you.
उसको मुझे कौन है उसने बता दिया.
Keke and I are going to buy a laptop. We had to leave the Apple store for some work, but we're back to pick up the laptop and then we will take it to Shubham and make him do work. Arshil, are you coming? Are you sad? You'll be fine, man. It's okay. Don't be sad, Arshil. I just want to see you smile, man. Now scoot out so anything can get out. I wanted to get him this new MacBook Pro, but they don't have it in stock. It'll take like 3 weeks, so fuck this. Got him the M1 Bang-In previous one, so that we can output a vlog tonight. Useless creature. Really? Start editing.
I'm now watching the game.
Now. Jaldi ye vlog edit karo. Kholo. Fast. Jaldi. Fast. By tomorrow EOD, if we don't have 1 million subscribers, you are out laptop. We're taking back. Deal?
Oh, fresh call.
Deal. Back.
Indian candy store.
You replaced your laptop.
This is his laptop. अबे खोल edit कर जल्दी fast. Open it.
चार्जर छुपा दो. Oh, charger bro.
दूर रहो सब.
छुपा के रखना.
हर्षिल की आँख जाती.
New charger. देखा ना
दूर रहो यहाँ से. I've started editing.
This is fake. No, this is vlog का है. Screen तो देखा.
ये अंदर लो ना चार्जर